Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to do the basic settings of the PowerWord simulator for the better visibility and accurate results. First of all, just open the new case. You can see this is a blank page. Suppose if I want to draw the grid lines here for the better visibility, just go to the options and click on draw grid. In this option and click on the draw grid lines and increase the grid's horizontal and vertical values from 1 to 3 for the better results. You can see here grid lines have appeared in the screen. Now suppose we want to draw the bus. You can see if I put the default values, the bus is shown here, which is very thin and not visible and not attractive. In order to increase its visibility, just we have to increase its thickness by going to the display, increase the size up to 10 and width up to 0.6. The size shows you the height of the bus, whereas width shows the thickness of the bus. In the orientation, you can click right, up, left, down, whichever you feel suitable, and then click OK. You will see here the thickness of the bus is increased and it looks attractive. Now suppose we have a system consisting of the two bus and transmission lines, and a load is connected at bus number 2, whereas the generator is connected at bus number 1, and I want to increase the size of these green arrows for better visibility. For this purpose, just go to the options and then click on online display options and then go to animated flows and then convert the size from 10 to 50. You will see here that by converting the size, it is now looks more attractive and more visible. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like my channel and subscribe it.